So that was Careless Convo, which is basically, like I say, it's Speak to Me, but it's using OpenRouter and 11 Labs rather than Whisper and Ollama, because the Speak to Me original was all local. So for the sake of speed, we've tested all these other features. The one thing that never worked, by the way, you can build all of this easily, very quickly, but the speech detection, you know, like automatic detection of speech ending and then submitting, that was so hard. He could never do it. We spent the same amount of time developing just the auto shut off as we did everything else. Everything else took like 5-10 minutes to build. That took like 20 and it doesn't work. In the end, I just said, change this to, you know, when you are talking, change it to say click. Basically, I removed the feature because he couldn't do it, which is really strange because he definitely can do it. He knows when you're not talking. He could detect speech and start recording and then detect silence and send that. He could do that, but for some reason he just was unable to. For whatever reason. It was quite a mystery, if you ask me. Because when you think about it, everything else on here is more complicated than that. So he like failed at something super simple. But was able to do all the other complicated stuff. Like, hey, you want 300 models? You know? You want to have 11 labs with all the voices? No problem. You want to do conversation session? No problem. But you want to actually have like automatic mic? Open and click? Oh, that's too much. So that's just an interesting little thing.